So this agreement has already been signed during the last government-to-government negotiations in May in Berlin with the MEA, EAD, and finally today we can sign it with you, so it becomes effective. I have to say, social protection, health are at the heart of what we are doing, what the German Development Corporation is doing here in Pakistan. We've been working in the field of reproductive health for decades, I would say. Also in the field of social health protection, we have supported the Sehat Saulat initiative. And now we're entering with you in a cooperation with regard to the Benazir Income Support Program. I feel this is very important for Pakistan. I mean, we all know the situation when it comes to malnutrition, stunting, as Your Excellency have mentioned. The numbers are shocking. So we're happy to support here. Also, with regard to this climate resilience component, I think, unfortunately, we have to assume that climate-related disasters will happen again and probably more often here in Pakistan. So it's important that in these cases, the vulnerable, the poor people, those that are affected by these climate-related disasters are also supported, protected. And this is what we are looking into in this component that you, Naveed, have mentioned. So we are very much looking forward to the partnership, and let's hope for a smooth start.
Yes.
Thank you very much.